032 450 032 shortly depart Southampton Central for Winchester. This one will cross Southampton Airport Parkway, Shawford and Winchester. This train will go to Waterloo or from about almost Waterloo, but nowadays they don't anymore now. Really, all thanks to COVID, it's just all cause of it. There he goes. This is from Bournemouth to Waterloo, Bournemouth to Winchester. And this one, oh, it stopped at Beauty Road en route.
Is the 1400 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. This train has 10 carriages. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Clapham Junction